Bonnie. I am back on this Saturday with my Glossybox February unboxing. And, you know, it's funny. Glossybox does have, like, the nicest actual boxes, I think, in the subscription box industry. This is not a cheap and flimsy little thing. And it's not a bag. Sometimes you don't want a bag. My mom actually loves these boxes. She stores a lot of the flowers she makes in these. And they're really nice. This one is Valentine's Day branded. It says love, amor, love in all different languages. So let's dig in. Check out. These are sturdy too. This is like a nice box. Love boxes. So tissue paper, of course. We always get a nice little ribbon in Glossybox. I should start saving these. So usually they're just like laying all over my desk. Glossybox, I pay $58 for 3 months. I'll probably keep it going. Let me know if you guys like the subscription. I'll put the referral link if you're interested in it. Glossybox can be hit or miss, though, you guys. Sometimes you get stuff and you go, oh my gosh, this month was amazing. And other times you're like, I'm not sure I would use all this stuff. But I gift a lot of stuff to family, so we're all good. So the first thing that we got is St. Lux. This is a lip liner duo. And you know what? Unfortunately, they don't put the paper in here anymore. I probably should. I wonder if I can pull this up on my screen. I probably can. It just, I like having the paper in front of me to tell you guys like the price points on all this stuff. Otherwise, I do have to like log in, and I'm assuming they have this month's box. Take a peek. Sneak peek. Okay, they do have like a... Does it have prices on here anymore? This is kind of strange. I don't know. I'm not seeing like the prices and stuff. That's because I'm not signed in, you guys. So does it have my current box? Product card. There it is. Oh my gosh. Hello. So you know what? This is kind of interesting, you guys. So it brings up a PDF, which is kind of nice. I mean, you know, we're saving a tree here. But it's kind of hard when you're vlogging to have to bring this card up. And you know what? I'm not even seeing the prices. What the heck? It's not even loading all the way. Well, anyway, we're gonna go with our St. Lux here. There's actually 2. Oh my gosh, these are nice, you guys. I love a good lip liner. Lip liners are nice because they kind of make everything stay in place. This card is still loading. Check it out. So there's 2 of these. I'm going to open one. Which one looks really pretty? This one looks really, really pretty, you guys. Although, you know what? Packaging on these is just a nightmare. I swear, getting the plastic off of a lip liner is pure torture. Okay, I'm not taking these off. This is ridiculous. This is going to take me forever and a half, and this video is going to be 20 minutes long. Okay. So where are my products? This thing is literally still... Oh, you know what? It's the same... It's literally just a PDF of what we used to get in the box. The only thing is it's not loaded yet. It loaded, you guys. I'm sorry. So, this is I like to tell you the values on this. This is a $30 value. So, like, I would never, in a million years, pay $15 for a lip liner. I get too much Bath & Body Works to buy. However, getting it in the box, I do like these. So, that's a good thing. Next up, we have... This is called Floss. It's lip gloss. I think I've heard of this. My new favorite lip gloss. This is what it says in the packaging. It's not really my new favorite lip gloss because I haven't tried it yet. Oh, okay. I was expecting this to be like something you put on this way, but there's a doe foot. This looks nice. I like the shade. Check it out. Very nice there. So I will definitely use this. This is a $16 value. So far, 2 for 2. Next up from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, we have, ooh, that's pretty. Looks like an eyeshadow. No, it's a pressed highlighter. I thought maybe it was an eyeshadow. It's a pressed highlighter. This is tiny though. So it says $24.99. I'm assuming this is the sample size and not the full size because this is really small. Ooh, whoa, look at this. This looks, oh my gosh, I would wear this as an eyeshadow, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is really, really pigmented. So that is actually really cool. I would definitely wear those as an eyeshadow. Okay, so 3 for 3 this month. You know, sometimes you look at the box and you're not sure. So next up, we have a Hydrating Gold Gel Lip Mask. $6 value. I don't tend to wear lip masks. I don't know why. My lips are usually pretty plump anyway. And I do wear, you know, a lot of lip balm and stuff. This is Korean Beauty, by the way, so that's kind of cool. Actually, I have someone I know who would love this, so it's getting gifted. Finally, from OK Beauty, this is made in the UK, vegan, cruelty free. This is Fig and Rouge. It's a Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir, $46 value. Holy moly. It's brightening, charming elixir designed to delight and intensify skin's natural glow. Well, okay. That's, you know, not a bad thing. Let me put a little bit of this on here. It's actually very, very pretty. I should use some of this. I've been using the Too Faced, like that. It was the fruit one they came out, the watermelon. I think it's called Juicy or something. I like that. I really do. So this feels really nice, you guys. So you can't really see it on my hand. I kind of blended it in, but it is really soft and moisturizing. I think I'm going to like this. So this is definitely a higher end product. So, oh, and check out what I got. Oh my gosh, you know me and my, like, paper. I'm so excited. I'll whip up a Bath and Body Works gift with that. I start coughing. So that's always fun. So, awesome box this month, you guys. This is definitely a good one. So this is a glass bottle too. I like when they put stuff in glass. $46 value for the Glow Elixir. $6 for the mask, so that brings us up to $52. And then we've got $30 for the lip liners. That's $82. Lip gloss is $16. Like almost $100, and then we're talking $24, which I don't really think this is $24 value, but over $100 value, and it was like $19. So I am totally happy with this box this month. Way to go, Glossybox. Awesome February box. I'm keeping Glossybox. Like I said, the link below, you know, if you're interested in it, I don't know what I get for Glossybox if you guys click. I have no clue. I'm not very good at these referral things. I just put the link down there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back. I'm going to review Bora Bora Bath & Body Works today. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.